Well, welcome back to Your Carolina. You are going to learn about something new that's coming to the area. It is senior-focused primary care. It is coming this summer, and we've got Dr. Bill Logan Jr. here with us. Dr. Logan, thanks for joining us.
Good morning. I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, well, we are excited to have you because this is some huge, important information, and we really want anyone that has a senior in your life, or if you are a senior, to make sure you're listening right now because we got some important information just for you. But I want to start with you kind of tell me about what you're all about, what primary care is all about.
Partners in Primary Care is a senior-focused primary care practice. So everything that we do is focused on folks as they age.
Okay, why is it important for seniors to have kind of that unique care?
Well, you know, as folks age, they become more unique, not more the same.
Okay.
So the most important thing that folks need to know about senior focus is that we listen well, that we take into account the uniqueness of the individual, that we learn about you, not just your medical problems, but your background, your family, the things that are important to you, and we incorporate all of those things into the care planning. And it's not just the physicians at Partners in Primary Care, it's the whole care team. We're focused on making sure that that care plan that's developed is unique for that individual.
Is it harder for people like yourself and the doctors if maybe you haven't had this certain patient for a long time of their life, then they're coming to you? Because, you know, if they've been going to other places, they have like the whole history with them. Is it harder for you to really get to know them and kind of learn their medical history?
Well, like any physician's practice, we'll gather the medical records, but as anybody knows, patients are more than their medical records.
Right.
So the important thing is to allow that individual to tell their story and to really listen well, because all elements of that story are important to that individual's care plan and how we plot a path to wellness for that person.
Because I want to really hit home with people that are watching that may be like, well, you know, I've been with my doctor. Why should I, you know, come here versus an average doctor's office? Tell people why y'all are different and what they'll really get with y'all versus an average doctor.
Well, I've been a part of the Greenville medical community for a number of years, and we've got really fabulous physicians here. Fabulous family physicians, fabulous internal medicine physicians. I'm a geriatrician. My specialty is older adult care. There are special things about older adults that are different from folks who are younger. And being able to take those uniquenesses into account when you're listening to that individual and putting together the plan for them, and really being able to focus on the individual's priorities, a path to wellness for that individual, and making sure that you've taken into account all of those elements. And to have a care team pulled together in a senior primary care practice that's able to listen to those individuals and really take the time to do that,
right,
is the unique thing about Partners in Primary Care.
Because I'm sure you see so much every day different too, but what is it? Is there something that's like a main struggle that seniors were dealing with that you'll see?
I think the main thing is that our culture devalues seniors.
Oh, that's so sad.
It is sad. And so often I'll have an older adult come in to see me, and as we talk, I begin to hear about their life and all that they've experienced. And they are so much the sum of their experiences. Yeah. And those things need to be recognized and valued and incorporated into the plan for them in their health care.
Well, you can see in just these few minutes that we're talking to you on the couch that you really do have a passion for this. You really do like them. So this is why we wanted y'all to get to know Dr. Logan, because you're going to be opening soon. Tell us when you're going to be opening and where, so we can make sure everybody comes.
We have 4 locations. There are 3 in the Greenville area. 1 is at Orchard Park. 1 is off of Highway 29 in the Greer area. 1 is in Powdersville off of 153, and then we're opening 1 in Anderson.
Okay, do we know open dates yet?
Mid-July.
Mid-July, okay. So if people are interested right now, could they start calling? Is there anyone to talk to yet? Or go
we
to
have
your
a
website?
Okay. We have a website. It's youdeservepartners.com.
Oh, that's good. youdeservepartners.com.
Yes.
Well, fantastic. Thank you for being part of the Your Carolina family, and we're excited to have you here, and we're going to be hearing a lot from him over the next few weeks and months. So make sure that if you have any questions, This is where it's at. Thank you, Dr.
Thank
Logan.
you so much
We'll be
for
right
having
back
me.
with more Your Carolina.